look at the view, the beauty, the cosmo flower. Wow, I'm gonna show you. Finally, pork. 2 kgs of pork for 100 rupees. Oh. Iron dapat over the orchid farm. Right now I'm here at orchid farm. Paorei village, they are preserving orchids. As you know, lots of orchids have been extinct. Just forgive me. So now it's not the season for the orchid flowers. That's why there are not much flower. Only that one flower is there. But in future, you know, when you come during the orchid season, this place is really awesome. You should definitely come and visit if you are in Ukhrul. If you come to Ukhrul, yeah, you should definitely come and check it out. The car parking is also here. You know, good space, enough space. It's a huge place. You can come here and have, you know, cook food and have outing as well, and like kind of picnic as well with friends, family. So I had a good time here. Excuse me, my voice, my throat. Finally, I feel like I'm alive again. We can learn from Paorei village. We can do this in our own village as well. It's just simple, but it attracts us. You know, it makes us happy. Look at the beauty. See, everyone is enjoying, having fun, and I'm also here. I'm really enjoying it. I'm moving back soon. Okay. My color is gone again. This is the end of the video for today. I wanted to explore more, but I need to leave because I with my friends. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Next year, if you are around in Ukhrul, please come to Paorei for the Cosmo Festival.